Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Buds free headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them and install its application in your Android phone. To pair them with your application, we have to at first install this application. To do so, we have to go into Play Store and search. In the search bar, we have to search for JBL Headphones app and tap install at this application, JBL Headphones application. It may take some time, so don't worry. It's based on your internet connection and your phone. If you have some older phone, don't worry. It just needs some time. The compatibility list with your phone is here about this application. You'll see at the bottom completely for active your devices, and as you can see, completely works on your device. And as you can see, now our app is being installed on our device. And now we have to tap open. Here we have to tap accept and allow for nearby devices permission. Allow. And as you can see, without any account, without anything, we have our JBL Live Buds free. We have to tap on it. And here, as you can see, welcome to JBL Live Buds free. Get started. Here we have some tips. We have to tap all set. And that's it. Hope it helps you. And goodbye.